Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. We're gonna graph fruit. Did you know that graphing is a fabulous math activity for young kids? It teaches them less and more. It can teach adding. It teaches visual. It is a great math tool. So you can take your fruit at home, whatever kinds of fruit you have. Today I brought in bananas, apples, and oranges. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna recruit some of my coworkers, and we're gonna graph which kind of fruit they like the best. So to get my graph ready, I took today's ads from the newspaper and I looked through and I saw that apples were in the ads. So I'm gonna cut out the picture of the apple. All right, I've got my apple. Then I'm gonna look through the ads and I noticed that oranges are in here too. So I'm gonna cut out the orange. All right, now as I was going through, there's no bananas in there today. So another option is I'm just gonna draw a banana. You can also print one off of your computer or look in other ads, but today I'm just gonna draw a banana. There's my banana shape. All right, now I'm gonna glue on my apple and my orange onto the bottom of my paper. There's my apple, here's my orange, and there's my banana. Now I'm gonna use a ruler if you have one. If not, just draw the best line you can. And I'm gonna make a line across those fruits. And then I'm gonna draw some lines separating the columns. So the first column is for my apples. The second column is for my oranges. And then the third column is for the bananas. All right, look at this. My graph is ready. So now I'm gonna go recruit my friends and they're gonna come in and they're gonna grab the fruit that they like, and the way we're gonna graph it is we're gonna use the stickers that come on the fruit. They're gonna take off the sticker from the fruit and put it in the column of the fruit that they like the most. Then when we're all done, we can see what fruit is the most liked here at PBS Reno. Let's do it. All right, everyone, I've got my favorite fruit here. I am a banana eater, so I'm gonna add my banana sticker. And now let's add them up and see which fruit is the most liked here at PBS Reno. For apples, I have 1, 2 stickers. For oranges, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stickers. And for bananas, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 people that like bananas. So which one is the most liked? Oranges! I guess we're an orange group of people here. So what kind do you like at your house the most? How about your family? How about the most fruit you go through in a month? There's lots of ways to graph all this fruit. For more fun and educational activities, visit our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.